of unlike fractions. Okay. So from here we're going to continue with some more questions, and then we'll be taking up what we were just doing in the previous class. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So let's say that I'm going to give some questions. Okay. Today now we'll be learning about addition and subtraction of mixed fractions. Okay. We'll be taking up that topic, how we can add the mixed fractions. Okay. So let us say you have taken some fractions like 3, 4 upon 5 plus 7, 8 upon 3. Okay. So we have two mixed fractions here. Hope you guys understand the concept of mixed fraction. Huh?
Yeah.
Mixed fraction is made up of a whole number and a fraction. It's a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction here. Getting it now? So that is what a mixed fraction is. Okay, so let us add this. First of all, in order to add the mixed fraction, first of all, it has to be converted into a proper fraction, right? So how do we do that? Let me just give you one example. Say that you have 11.
First we should multiply 9 by 7, then 7 plus 4, right?
Not 7 plus 4, 63 plus 4. Whatever you get, add 4 to it. That becomes the numerator, and denominator will remain same, that is 9. Take the example of 11, 9 upon 12. Okay, now let us take some other example. Let us say we are going to take this one example. Okay, 11, 9 upon 17. So first of all, we are going to multiply 17 with 11, right? So that will be 187. Then add 187 plus 9. Okay, now whatever you get, add this to the number in the numerator. Okay, so that will be 196. So 196 upon 17 will be the number, will be the new number. Getting it? So that is how we convert the mixed fraction into fraction, and then later on we're going to carry in the simple manner. So you guys add this.
So you have to do that.
Addition.
196.
Not this one. You guys have to do this one. First of all, convert them into proper into fraction, and then add them.
You have to do both of them?
Yeah, you guys have to, like, this is one simple question. First of all, convert them into proper fractions and then add them. Convert them into proper fractions and then add them. Okay, by the way, the assignment, were you guys having some difficulty in solving the assignment?
No.
Okay, good.
Sir, we have to multiply 3 by 5 and then add 4.
Yeah, basically if 3 by 5 or 5 by 3, same thing. So I multiply 5 to 3, and then whatever is the result, add it to the number 4. That will be your new numerator, and denominator will remain same. So Maya, before that you do some questions. Okay. Convert this into a proper fraction. 2 1 upon 3.
So I got the answer.
Okay, what answer you're getting?
88.
88. After adding these two fractions, you're getting 88.
Wait, sir, first can I do this question?
That 7 by 4 and then 9. 7 4 by 9. First, can I do that?
Okay, okay, do that one.
Is
Okay,
it correct?
just let me just Sumaya let her solve as well. I'm giving one more question to you. Okay, so you solve this one. 13 5 upon 22 plus 17 8 upon 19. Solve this
Me?
one. Yes, after you Sumaya will also be solving this.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah.
By the way, Sumaya, now will you be able to solve the question from your
I'm
worksheet or
done.
not? What answer you are getting?
88.
88.
No,
Okay.
for. Oh, yeah, okay.
What is the answer you are getting? Okay, let me do this one as well. So in this, first of all, we are going to convert them into proper fashion. You guys tell me what have you converted this into? The first one.
First, I have
The
the
answer is 88
multiplied.
first.
No answer. We are going to later on check it now, like whether 88 is correct or not. First of all, we are going to solve it together. Ha Habib, you are saying.
First, I
Yes.
did 5 into 3. Then I got 15. 15 plus 4.
That is 19
Then
upon.
19 upon 5.
Okay.
Then
But sir, for me it is only 86.
How can you be getting 86 here? See, what we have to do, like take the example of 2 1 upon 3. Step number 1 is multiply the denominator with the whole number 2. This is the denominator, multiply this with the whole number. 2 here is the whole number. 1
Not
here
for
is the
that, the
numerator.
other question.
For which question? This one.
The first one, I think it is 86, I think.
Okay, okay, hold on. Pay attention to the steps. Next one will be 67 upon 9. You getting the same, Habib?
yeah, got it.
Okay. See here what we have done. 9 sevens are 63. 63 plus 4, that is 67. So 67 upon 9. Okay. Now what we are getting to see that their denominators are different. So we are going to take the LCM now, right? Getting it, guys? Let me just clean all these things. So we are going to take the LCM. So LCM of 5 and 9 is how much? Yes. LCM is 3 times 3 times 5, that is 45. Isn't it? So now
Yes.
I need to convert their denominators to 45. Their denominator have to be made equal. So to what number should I by what number should I multiply this so the denominator becomes 45? It should be multiplied with
5. 9, 9, 9, 9.
9, no? Yes, Sumaya? Okay,
Yes.
Sumaya, 99s are how much?
Which one, sir?
This one here. Pay attention here. Okay, Habib, you tell
But
me.
the 99, sir.
171.
1?
71.
171 upon 145. Good. Now 67 upon 9. Okay, by what number should I multiply it so the denominator becomes 45? 9?
9. 5 are.
5.
5, sir. So this one also have to be multiplied with 5.
5.
67 5s will be 300 and
3.
300 and yes.
But
Okay,
sir, see, we have to multiply 67 by 5.
5. So this much of
Yes.
calculation you guys should be able to carry out in the mind only. Like
But
no need to
is
shift.
it
330.
335?
35.
Exactly, exactly. 335. The easy way to do it in the following manner. You have to multiply 5 with 67. No? So break 67 into 60 plus 7. Into 60 plus 7. So now in your mind, multiply 5 with 60 first of all. So that will be 300. Then multiply 5 with 7. So that is 35. So 300 plus 35, that is 335. Okay, like that you can carry it out. Okay, so that is 335 upon 45. Now it becomes simple from here now. We have to simply add now 171 plus 45. plus 335 upon 45. So what do we do? The denominator is going to same. We simply have to add the numerator. Add this two quickly. Add 171 and 135. And what is the answer you guys getting?
After so much calculation, the answer gets.
Yeah, obviously the mathematics is all about calculation. No?
Sir, 171 and plus that 335 is 506.
Very good. 506 upon 45. Okay. It didn't took that long. Okay. So that is the answer. Next one, both
Okay.
of you solve it quickly as soon as possible.
Which one? Oh,
The next one mentioned over here.
Sir, don't erase that. I need to see this thing.
Okay, okay.
Sir,
Yes.
like, can you just tell again that
Method.
first? Yeah, method.
Haha, sure. See, we had this question here. First of all, we converted them into a proper fraction here. Okay, we converted them into the fraction. Okay, from a mixed fraction to a normal fraction like this. That method should be clear. Now, what we had learned about addition, like these are unlike fractions because their denominator are different, so they are unlike fractions. So our first thing is like our first step has to make the denominator equal. So for that purpose, we took the LCM of 5 and 9. LCM came out to be 45. Now I have to convert 5 to 45. So I have to multiply it to 9. I multiplied it with 9. But the numerator also will be multiplied with 9. So the now new fraction is 171 upon 45. Okay. Now here 67 upon 9. This denominator also has to be made 45. So I am multiplying it with 5. The numerator also has to be multiplied with 5. So the new fraction is 335 upon 45. Now both of them are like or not? These two are
Yeah,
like
like,
fractions. So now what does the rule of addition of like fractions says that? You can simply add the numerators. So we have simply added the numerators here. Got this or not?
yes.
Okay, so that's how it was done. Okay, solve the next question also. Or if you find it lengthy, so I am giving a relatively simple question. Okay, to solve this one, 7 1 upon 2 plus 1 7 upon 8. This won't take that long.
So which should we solve?
You can solve the third one.
7 to 1.
Yeah, this one. 7 1 upon 2 plus 1 7 upon 8.
Sir, I'm getting the numerator same, but the denominator different.
Okay, so if that is the case, let me see. You will be getting the same numerator. So then you have to make the denominator same now. You have to
Okay.
convert it into like fraction. Then take the LCM. Take the LCM and see what LCM you're getting. Sumaya,
Yes,
how are you doing this?
yes, I'm doing.
Mhm. You guys have noted the question now. Just give me a moment. Let me take the question from your worksheet. Then I'll be resharing my screen. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, Sumaya, these are the questions from your exercise, right?
This, yes. Yes.
Habib, what about this one, question number 2? You are required to solve. Okay, you're solving third number, no? Huh? Continue with this one, by the way.
Sir, is it 16?
That is correct. So you have found out the LCM. Now, continue further.
16 upon 8.
16 upon 8. No. See, you would
No,
have...
15 upon
Hmm.
16.
Okay, let me help you there. First of all, you would have converted this as 15 upon 2, and this is 15 upon 8, right? You would have found out the LCM as 16. Now, the next step says that the next
I
step
found the
is
LCM 8.
you are finding the
LCM 8.
you're finding LCM 8. Okay, there's the problem. See, 2 and 8 here. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. Just 1 minute here. The numbers are 2 and 8 now. Okay, haha. So that will be 8. Okay. That is will be 8, sorry. So the LCM we are getting is 8. Good. Now next what we are going to do, we are going to convert the denominator to 8. One of them already have the same denominator now. One of them already have the same denominator. So no need to do any changes in this. It will remain as it is. Getting it? Okay. So we are going to do changes in this one only. So what should I multiply it with so that the denominator becomes 8? So may you also pay attention to this. We should be multiplying it with the 4 in the numerator and denominator both. That is 60 upon 8 now. Right. So the next step, we are going to simply add 60 upon 8 plus 15 upon 8. So that
Sir,
becomes
how?
75 upon.
Which side?
Understood this now? Good. Just like we have carried out addition, subtraction will also be carried out in the same manner. Everything is going to remain
So
same. Uh-huh.
when, like you said, that we will be multiplying 4 to get 8. So the numerator will be also be 4.
Yeah, of course, like just like we have been doing the same thing previously, like here in this case, when you are going to multiply the numerator also has to be multiplied with the same number. Otherwise, the value of the number changes. Like see, 15 upon 2 and 60 upon 8. These are equivalent fractions, meaning that when you will simplify 60 upon 8 now, you will get back 15 upon 2. What do I mean to say? Let us try to understand it with this manner. Say you have a fraction of 1 upon 2. Okay. See, if I were to multiply the numerator and denominator both with 2, it becomes 2 upon 4. Right or no?
Yes.
Sir,
Then
I still didn't understand after like multiplying and adding.
after multiplying adding, you're not getting. Okay, we are going to come back to that. But first of all, understand an important concept of equivalent fraction here. Like why it is important to multiply both the numerator and denominator with the same number. Okay, Habib's question is this: why we have to multiply the numerator also. So let's clarify this. Say you have the fraction 1 upon 2. I have multiplied both of them with the number 2. Numerator denominator has been multiplied with 2, so I'll be getting 2 upon 4. Now I will be multiplying them with 3. 1 times 3 is 3. 2 threes are 6. Now multiply them with 4. So 1 fours are 4, 2 fours are 8. Right? Now all these fractions are equivalent fractions of 1 upon 2. Why they're called as equivalent fractions? Because I can simply cancel them out like this. 2 twos are 4, 3 twos are 6, 4 twos are 8. Am I not getting the same fraction back? 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2.
Yes.
Yeah. So the value, even if I have multiplied the numerator and denominator with 2, with 3 and 4 here, but the value does not changes, the value of the fraction does not actually changes. It basically is an equivalent fraction of the previous one, because after simplifying it, after dividing the numerator and denominator, I get the same fraction back. That's why it is important to multiply both of them with the same number. Sumia, you were solving this question number 2.
Yes.
Okay, let me help you in this one. In question number 2, you had to multiply 22 with 13 first of all. So multiply 22 with 13. What number you would be getting? 286
286.
plus 5, that is 291
Yes.
upon 22.
Yes.
It has been continued from here. Okay, now. So 291 plus 291 upon 22. Multiply 19 with 17. Multiply it quickly.
Yes.
Both of you multiply this. So what number you guys are getting?
Is it 71?
Is it 71?
No.
19 has to be multiplied with 17. 1 7 17.
Okay.
Habib, multiply this quickly.
Sir, is it
Yes.
300 and
Yes, sir.
You had to multiply
323?
you had to multiply 19 with 17. Yes, Sumia,
Okay.
that is correct, by the way. Okay. Then add 8 to that number. So you will be getting
8.
323 plus 8 will be 331. No? 23 plus 8.
41.
Okay. So 331 upon 19. Okay, so far we have done this much.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now, Habib, are they like fractions or unlike fraction?
Yes.
Are these fractions
There are
like,
unlike fraction.
right, Sumaya? They are unlike fractions. Okay. So
Yes.
now we have to take the LCM. Take the LCM of 22 and 19. Take the LCM.
LCM.
Take the LCM of 22 and 19. 19 and 22. Have you guys forgot the method of LCM? If yes, please let me know. We'll be revising that if you guys have forgot it.
Sir, I found the LCM of 22.
22 and 19.
Oh,
LCM is
Sir,
all. Haha.
I can't find any factor of 19.
You can't find. Okay. Okay. No problem. It's only 1 and 19. You don't have to find the factor. Why you're finding factor? You have to look at the multiple, no? Habib. LCM is lowest common
Yeah, I
multiple.
got it.
Haha.
I got it.
Don't use the listing method. It will take too much of time. Use the short division method. Okay. Use the short division method. Listing method will take too much of time. Sumaya, do you need help in this? And Habib?
No.
Okay. Okay, which is the number you guys have taken to divide 22 and 19? Although both the numbers will not get divided with a common number.
Wait, I'm finding of 22. I found the 19.
Okay, I'm waiting.
So
Yes, Habib.
I did 20 for 22. I did 11 twos up. Then I'm
Okay.
getting 11. Now what should I do?
2 11s are 22 and 19 will be written as it is. Sumaya, you also pay attention here. Now, what do we know that when we get a prime number, so we stop there. When you get a prime number in the short division method of finding LCM, then it doesn't make any sense to move further. So now we are going to stop here. Getting it, guys? 11 and 19, both of them are prime numbers now, right? So we are going to stop, and the LCM will be simply the multiple of these numbers, as simple as that. 2 times 11 plus 11 times 19. Got this. So it will be simply 2 times 11, that is 22, multiplied with 19, and as a result you get the number 418. So that is the LCM. Are you guys getting it? This is how simple it was. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay, now next step says that we have done this much. Now in the next step, 291 upon 22. This is relatively a bigger question, but still we are going to do this one. Okay. So we have with what number 22 should be multiplied so that I get the number
And sir,
418. Yes.
sir,
Yeah.
after this fraction, we started a new topic in school of math.
Okay. Which topic has been started?
It is something of like we have to reverse the numbers in it.
Okay. Kindly confirm it from the school. Then do let me know in the next class. Okay.
Okay.
Now there's a very simple method to find out this thing. Like what with number with 22 should be multiplied with to get 418. It is like that 5 should be multiplied with which number to get 15. So here I can divide 15 with 5, so I get 3. So 5 should be multiplied with 3 to get 15. Getting the logic, getting it, both of you?
Yes.
So similarly, 418, divide it with 22 and you will get your answer, like which number it should be multiplied with to get the number 418. In fact, it is very simple. Habib, have you understood what I have said just?
Yes.
Okay. The 22 ones are 22, right?
Yeah.
41 minus 22, that is how much?
42 minus 22 is
41 minus 22. Like 11.
Yeah, 11.
11 minus 2 is 9. 3 minus 2 is 1. Bring down this 8. Then 22 nines are 198. Okay. So the number is 19. So 22 should be multiplied with 19 to get 418. So thereby the numerator 291 should also be multiplied with this now. So you'll be multiplying 19 with 291. So the answer will be somewhere around 5,529. Getting it, both of you. This is the first answer. Now talking about 331 upon 19. Okay. So talking about this one. So 331 upon 19. With what number should I multiply it to get 418? So this one will be multiplied with 22. So if this number is getting multiplied with 22, so the above number 331 will also be multiplied with 30 with 22. So the number you'll be getting will be upon multiplying with 22, you'll be getting 7,282. So now in the final step, we are going to we are having the fractions 5529 upon 418 plus 7282 upon 418. Now are they like fractions? Yes, are they like fractions or not?
Yes, they are.
Yeah, so simply you add the
Yes.
numerator and denominator will be same. That will be your answer. Quickly, both of you add the numerator.
Have to add 5,529 to 7,282.
Exactly. Add these two.
Okay. You got the answer.
Okay, what answer you're
Sir,
getting? Sumaya, what about you?
12,800 811.
11 upon 418. Okay, na? So that is our answer. Okay.
yes.
Okay. Hope you guys are getting it. Although this was this is a bigger number. This was a big number, but now you will be getting questions in which smaller numbers are there. So you will find it much easier to do. Okay. So here we have some questions here. So you guys look at question number 2, where you have to subtract two mixed fractions. Okay, you guys start doing this one.
Sir, which one?
I have circled it. Question number 2. First of all, you are going to convert them into a normal fraction. Yes, Sumaya and Habib, this will be converted to
Wait.
If
We
I
have to multiply
55 upon 6.
55 upon 6. And Sumaya, you tell me about this one.
We have to multiply 4 and 2 and then add 1. 4 2s add and add 1, it would be 9.
Yes, yes, Habib, I saw you. You can answer the another one. Okay. So that is 55 upon 6 minus 9 upon 2. Okay, from here carry on. Just do the follow the steps. You have to find LCM and then make the denominator equal to that LCM.
We have to subtract this.
Yeah, you have to subtract in this one. Okay, the method is going to same. Okay, only you have to subtract the numerator. Okay,
You have to only subtract the numerator.
but before subtracting you have to make it a like fraction, no?
Yes.
After converting this into like fraction you will subtract the numerator.
I got 65 upon 6.
65 upon 6 you are getting. Okay. No, you should be getting a smaller number. No, Habib. See if you have done some mistake. It's not correct. Instead of subtracting, did you add it all? See where you are lapsing.
Sir, you have to.
I added.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, Sumaya, what were you saying?
What do we have to do before subtracting that?
We have to convert them into a like fraction now. Like the denominator has to be made same. So first you have to take LCM. Take the LCM of 6 and 2.
Okay, sir.
46 upon 6.
46 upon 6 you are getting. Okay. I'm going to check this one. Meanwhile, you solve another question. You solve question number 7. Okay. So may I solve this quickly?
Yes.
You're getting 46 upon 6. No, that is not correct. See, have you not converted this into a like fraction? You to have you have directly subtracted. You haven't multiplied the 9 with 3 actually. You have to multiply 2 and 9, both of them with 3. 9 upon 2 will become 27 upon 6. So you will be subtracting 27 from 55. Then you'll be getting 28 upon 6 and not 46 upon 6.
Sir, what do we do after finding the LCM?
Okay, so once you have found the LCM, what LCM have you found?
6.
6 you have found it. Okay, good. 1 minute, let me erase this. So the LCM you found it to be 6. Good. Now from here the step is that first of all look at the first fraction. The fraction in this one, the denominator is already equal to 6, so don't do anything to this one. Okay, take the another one, that is 9 upon 2. So this its denominator has to be changed to 6. So multiply 2 with 3, and we have to multiply
Okay,
9
yes,
with
if
3 also. So that is 27 upon
3
6.
are 27. Yes.
Okay. Now later on we are going to, now we have the fraction 55 upon 6 minus this new fraction 27 upon 6. Okay. Now since the denominator are same, since these are now like fraction, so we can simply subtract the numerator. So 55 multiplied, subtracted 27 upon 6, that is 28 upon 6.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, give me another question like this of subtraction. I will do.
Okay, okay. So if you
And sir,
say
for
you
the
can
new,
do question number 6.
sir,
Yes, Sumaya.
in the last 10 minutes, I don't know what was the topic of the new one, but I know what we have to do. But then I didn't understand a little bit.
Okay, do one thing. Now, like after this, now we are going to revise the concept of addition and subtraction and some rules.
Okay.
Okay, now because that is the format of the class like these days. Okay. Once the revision will be over, then we'll be taking up the new chapter. But the topic which you're saying, do you know the name of the topic, or if you
We
know the
have to
name?
something reverse the numbers. For example, there's 3 by 2 plus divided 3 by 2 divided by something 5 by 6. So
Okay,
we
you're
have to put the 2 in the numerator and put the 3 in the denominator.
okay. You're talking about a reciprocal of fraction.
Yes.
Reciprocal. You're talking about that one, no? Basically the positions of numerator and denominator are swapped. Example, 2 upon 3 becomes 3 upon 2. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, I understood what you're saying. Okay, meanwhile, if you have you understood this one?
Yes, that.
I think that you still need to work. You guys still need to work on this before moving on to that topic. It is important that you get this thing clear first. Okay, so Sumaya, solve question number 4. Habib is solving question number 6. You solve this one. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, Yes, what's the progress so far? Yes, Habib.
So you said
Yes, Habib.
that for I got 5 upon 2 and 3 upon 4. So I did 2 multiply by 2. So I got no.
Which question are you solving?
The
Sixth
you
one,
said
no?
16.
Uh-huh. So what is the number you are getting?
I
Yes,
by
what?
mistakenly did the 5th one.
Okay, fifth one. Okay, no issue. Then tell me this one as well. You have to add in this one, by the way. So what you are getting?
I am getting 13 upon 4.
13 upon 4 as the final answer.
No. I'm telling that.
Okay, for this one,
First
that is correct. This one will be 13 upon 4. Good. And this one will be, what are you getting? 5 upon 4. Good. Okay. So now you are getting to see that both the, so 5 upon 2, I mean to say 5 upon 2. So here you have to convert this one only now. Just take the LCM of 2 and 4. As per the steps you have to follow, take the LCM of 2 and 4. Whatever is the LCM, equate the denominator of these fractions. Once they have been converted into like fraction, and then simply add the numerator, denominator will be same.
I got the answer.
What answer you're getting?
17
17.
upon 4.
No. That isn't correct. See, 5 upon 2, the LCM of 2 and 4, you should be getting the LCM as 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4,
18.
LCM will be 4. No, that is again not correct. Let me tell you why. The LCM, the answer should be,
After finding the LCM, what do you have to do? Okay.
you have to convert the denominator equal to that LCM. Whatever LCM you have found, you have to make the denominator equal to that by multiplying the numerator and denominator with the same number. That's what you have to do, Sumaya. While Habib, you pay attention to this 5 upon 2, the LCM you have found it to be 4. So why, by what number should I multiply it? I should be multiplying it with 2 now. So I get 10 upon 4. Getting it? So this
But
is
it's
no
smaller than 13 upon 4, right?
smaller than 13 upon 4. That doesn't have got to do anything with this. See, you had to add here. You forgot this thing. The basic thing mentioned here, it's addition, not subtraction.
Okay.
Okay, now pay attention to this minute thing. So that is 10 upon 13 plus 13. Why it's moving? 10 upon 4, I mean to say. 10 upon 4 plus 13 upon 4, that is 23 upon 4. No? Got it? You're missing the minute details in the question. That's why you're doing this a small error. Solve question number 6 now. Yes, so we've solved this one. You understood now where you are doing the mistake in question number 5.
Yes.
Yes, Sumaya, what's the progress so far?
I'm finding after finding the LCM, now I'm making the denominator. That same.
Okay. What is the LCM you have found?
Can I start from the first step
No, just tell me the LCM.
of 5 and 6?
Huh?
Of 5 and 6, the LCM is 30.
Okay, good. Okay, then start from the first step. What have you done?
First step, I have multiply 4 by 5,
Hmm.
20, that's 20, and then I add 4, that is 24. Then I multiplied 3 by 6, that is equals to 18, then plus 1, 19.
Hmm. So the new
Then I
fractions
got
are
24 up 24 by 24 upon 5, then multiplied by 19 upon 6.
not multiplied, subtracted.
Subtract.
Huh. Okay,
Sir,
then
sir, after that I didn't like which number do I have to take?
okay,
19 upon 6 I have to take, and then I have to find.
just 1 minute. Give me a minute. This my pen isn't working. 1 moment. See, the fraction you would be getting is 24 and 19 upon 6. Okay, so these are two different fractions. 24 upon 5 minus 19 upon 6. That is what you're getting. Just 1 minute, Habib. These are unlike fractions. We have to convert them into like fractions. For that purpose, we take the LCM of 5 and 6. Take the LCM, you found out the LCM to be 30. So now convert the denominator of this and this, both of them, convert it to 30. That's what you have to do. 24
Both of
upon,
them.
yeah, multiplied with such a number that the denominator becomes 30. 19 upon 6.
6 for like, can I say? Yeah,
Do this one, do
6
this one.
multiplied by 5,
So
then again with that
I should
6
be multiplying
multiplied.
this one also.
Yeah,
19 upon 5 also. So that becomes 95. And here it is
95.
for 24 upon 5. You're
I'm going
multiplying
to
it with.
wait.
Okay. Yes, Habib, what were you saying?
Nothing.
Okay.
For that 24 by 5, you have to multiply 5 and 6.
We have to multiply by.
For the 24 by 5, you have to multiply by 5, the 5 1, 5 by 6. And now I'm doing the 24.
And 24 will be multiplied with.
6.
See, it has also to be. It should also be multiplied with 6 now. See, both the numbers in the numerator and denominator, both of them have to be multiplied with the same number.
Sir,
Yes, I did same number.
Okay,
6
I
and
don't.
6.
That is how much? 144 upon 30.
144.
Okay, then you have to add these two fractions. Now they are like fractions now, Habib and Sumaya. So simply add the numerator
Yes.
and find out the answer. Yes, sir, Habib.
Okay, then.
sir, for you, the question you told, the question number 6, I got where did it go? I got 1275 upon 35.
35. Okay, okay. Let me see if it is correct or not. So this one will be converted to 32 upon 7 minus 12 upon 5. The LCM you will be getting as 35 as we have find it correctly. Okay.
Sir, is the answer
Is
200
it correct?
239 by upon 239 upon 3
Yeah,
30?
that is correct, Sumaya. Very good. Yes, Habib. 32 upon 7 by what number should be multiplied? So it should be multiplied with 5. So 160 upon 35. Okay. 12 upon 5. I will be multiplying it with 7 upon 7. So that is 84 upon 35. Getting it? So the new fractions are 160 upon 35 plus 84 upon 35. Are you getting the same numbers so far? Kindly match it with yours. I don't think you have got the same number. See where you have done the mistake.
I got the denominator same, but numerator is different.
How can you be getting the, okay? It's obvious that the numerator is going to be different here now. 160 and 84 here. Obviously, the numerator will always be different here. Our aim is to, like, by definition, like fractions are those fractions which have the same denominator. Earlier, they were unlike fractions. Like this one has 7, this one has 5 in the denominator. But by multiplying with suitable numbers, we have converted them into like fractions which have the same denominator. From here on, we can carry out the simple method. We can carry on this as 160 plus 84. Their numerators will be added and the denominator will be same. Okay, now? Got this? The answer, this will not be the correct answer. Okay. Add this quickly. And Sumya, your answer was also correct.
We have to minus it, right?
Oh, sorry. We had to minus, by the way. 160 minus 84. So minus
176.
176. Okay. So the number is 160. And after subtracting 84 from this, we're getting 176. How is that even possible?
Wait.
Should be getting only 76 only. Okay. Do it on your own. Carry on as you were doing it. Sumia, meanwhile, you also solve question number 8 quickly.
Okay.
And what about the previous worksheets? Worksheet number 1 and 2, have you done those? Done the question from those worksheets, Sumaya?
I did 3 of them, but the notebook is right now downstairs. That
Okay.
another.
Okay.
Sir, which question I do?
Question number 8. Yes, Habib, what's the answer?
76
Upon
upon 35.
76 upon 35. So that is how it has to be done. Okay. Now, since our time was consumed into this today, okay, now in this discussion, but in the next class, we'll be taking up the next chapter, which was discussed. Like we did learn about the addition and subtraction, basically operations carried on the numbers of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So in the next class, we'll be learning about different properties like associative property, distributive property, and